फ्रेंड्स एंड अ वार्म वेलकम टू सुपर ग्रेड्स। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक और प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट की विच इज ऑफ IIM रोहतक। यस, IIM रोहतक का प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट आज हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे विच इज फॉर द बैच ऑफ 2022 टू 2024। अब जैसा कि हर वीडियो में मैं एम्फसाइज करती हूँ कि व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइज टू वॉच द प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज। द रीजन मीन आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि उस कॉलेज का बैच प्रोफाइल कैसा है। सेकेंडली, यू वुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वन मेजर थिंग कि उस कॉलेज में किस पर्टिकुलर एरिया से सबसे ज्यादा प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं। क्या वो एरिया मार्केटिंग है, कंसल्टिंग है, फाइनेंस है। सो टुडे इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो as well, we will be understanding what is the batch profile of IIM Rohtak, the key takeaways from this year's placement report that they have for the batch of 2022 to 2024. Third thing, we'll be looking into the placement numbers as well, जो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Fourth, we will be able to understand कि फंक्शन वाइज कैसे स्प्लिट किया है, मार्केटिंग में कितने परसेंट प्लेसमेंट्स हुए हैं, फाइनेंस में कितने हुए हैं, कंसल्टिंग में कितने हुए हैं. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर यू ऑल. सो मेक श्योर you stick till the end and you watch the video till the end. And if you're here on the channel for the very first time, I would ask you all to please subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any update. क्योंकि अभी कैट के रिगार्डिंग, बाकी मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के रिगार्डिंग बहुत सारे अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. एंड नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So the very first thing, let us understand the batch profile of IIM Rohtak. Now, as we all know, यहाँ gender diversity में females ज़्यादा हैं. The only college I think where females are more than men, more than males. So here, this is the 13th batch of PGP, that is post graduation program of IIM Rohtak, which has enriching diversity in academic backgrounds, gender, and work experience. Now here, batch में 321 proficient students हैं, representing 28 states with 225 female and 96 male. So you can understand कितना huge difference है यहाँ पे male versus female के ratio में. The cohort possesses an average work experience of 22 months. तो average work experience जो है, जो work experience students हैं इस particular batch में, that is 22 months is the average work experience, spanning diverse industries such as IT engineering, general management, analytics and consulting, sales and marketing, as well as finance. So these are the domains that they have mentioned कि batch में इन domains से जो हैं वो students हैं जिनका work experience in particular domains में है. Here, as you can see, gender diversity 321 students, ratio is 55:45. Academic diversity की अगर मैं बात करूं, 37% of the batch is from commerce, which is a good thing. 35% from engineering, science से 17% है, और arts और others से 17% है यहाँ पे. Next, if you look at the work experience, so 44% ऐसे students हैं जिनका work experience 12 months से ज्यादा है. 41% जो batch है उनका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस 12 से 24 मंथ्स तक का है. 8% ऑफ द बैच हैज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 24 to 36 months, and 7% of the batch has work experience of more than 36 months. So this is with regards to the batch profile in terms of academic diversity and the work experience. Next, if we look at the MBA focus area, सो यहाँ पे हम वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के अलग अलग कैटेगरीज देख रहे हैं. सो मार्केटिंग से यू हैव 59.3% ऑफ द बैच विच हैज अ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इनटू मार्केटिंग एंड स्ट्रैटेजी. देन फाइनेंस में 24.5 है, ऑपरेशंस में 5.6 है, MIS एंड IT एनालिटिक्स में 5.3% है, एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज में 5.3% है. Here, if you look, 95 dual degree candidates है, मतलब इनके 321 का जो बैच साइज है उसमें से 95 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनका डुअल डिग्री का प्रोग्राम है, एंड दोस कैंडिडेट्स आर 95. 226 स्टूडेंट्स आर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम PGP स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे, 226. 22 months एवरेज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एज वी डिस्कस कि जो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस क्राउड है बैच में वो एवरेज आता है उसका 22 months. Next, let us look at the key takeaways from this year's placement report of 2022 to 2024 batch. So here, if you can see, remarkable success in securing excellent placements spanning across various industries with the trust of 237 different recruiters. So this time, 237 recruiters have participated in the placement process. Batch has demonstrated high demand for their skills and expertise. Several top performing students have secured lucrative positions with CTCs as high as 48.25 LPA, while the batch average CTC stands impressively at INR 19.27 LPA, marking a notable 3% increase over the previous year. So, average CTC में पिछले साल से 3% का increase है. Moreover, over 40 plus pre-placement offers. Pre-placement offers, as I always mention, are those जो आपको internship के time पे कुछ companies PPO देती हैं. That is the pre-placement offer. So 40 plus pre-placement offers were made. यानी कि 40 students को 40 plus students को pre-placement offers मिले, were extended to students, affirming their capabilities and potential. Collectively, these achievements underscore their hard work and dedication, bringing pride to both their batch and the institute. Now, let us look at the placement numbers as well quickly. तो यहाँ पे टॉप 50% ऑफ द बैच का जो पैकेज था दैट स्टूड अराउंड 24.13 LPA. टॉप 25% बैच का जो पैकेज था दैट वाज 29.28 LPA. 10% का 37.25 LPA. And here, if we talk about the average CTC, it was 19.27 LPA. And year on year के basis पे, as we discussed previously in the key takeaway, कि 3% का increase हुआ है. Here, highest CTC went around 48.25 LPA. Here, median CTC went around 17 LPA. So this यहाँ पे 70 plus नए recruiters आए. So 237 जो total recruiters का नंबर है उसमें से 70 plus new recruiters थे and 40 plus PPOs were offered. Now, what is the highlight? These numbers stand as a testament to the rich legacy of IIM Rohtak and the institute's unflinching dedication to providing enriching knowledge which curates the next generation of world leaders. So this is the placement report, placement numbers. Now, let us look at the function-wise split as well quickly. So sales and marketing में 30% of the batch was placed into sales and marketing. तो सबसे ज्यादा जो डोमेन यहाँ डोमिनेट करता है दैट इज ऑफ सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. सो नोटेबली हाईएस्ट सीटीसी हैज बीन आल्सो ऑफर्ड इन दिस डोमेन. एस्टीम्ड रिक्रूटर्स कौन से हैं? सो इट इज अभी AB in beverages, Anand Group, Bloomberg, Mother Dairy of Business, Tata AIG and Tata Steel. Now, prominent roles जो ऑफर हुए हैं दैट इज ऑफ एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर, एसोसिएट ब्रांड मैनेजर, marketing analyst, sales strategist. Here you can see the highest CTC marketing में जो गया है that is 48.25 LPA and average has gone around 18.78 LPA, which is 30% of the batch has received offers in marketing and they've been placed in the marketing domain. So all the students who wish to pursue a career in marketing and want all these roles, they should definitely target IIM Rohtak. Next, domain product management, IT and operations का है जहाँ पे 20% of the batch was placed into this. Prominent recruiters जो हैं that is Amazon, Elastic Run, Dell है, IDFC First Bank है, you have NPCI, you have Zycus. Now here prominent roles that were offered that was manager, business analytics, senior analyst, senior business associate and product manager associate. If we look at the highest CTC in product management, IT and operations, so it was 46.76 LPA and average was 27.82 LPA. So यहाँ पे 20% of the batch was placed into product management, IT and operations. Next, if we look ahead, then consulting. So nearly 8% of the students received offers from the consulting domain. Now यहाँ पे industry leaders कौन कौन थे, कौन से prominent recruiters थे? It was Capgemini, it was Cognizant, Deloitte, you had Gartner over here, EY, Genpact, Learner Services. Now, here prominent roles that were offered, it were of business consultant, strategy consultant, enterprise risk consultant, and associate consultant. Now, if you look at the placement again into consulting, the highest CTC went around 22 LPA, average went around 16.37 LPA. Next, let us look into the finance domain as well. So, approximately 15% of the batch was placed into finance. The areas were BFSI and fintech domains थे यहाँ पे. Institute nurtured is associated with prominent corporates. तो कौन से prominent recruiters थे? Let us look into that. Anand Rathi, Axis Bank, Barclays, HSBC, IDBI Bank, NetWest, then Indus Valley, RBL Bank, NPCI, Wells Fargo, and Yokohama. Prominent roles that were offered in this domain were of commercial banking manager, wealth management, corporate banking, investment analyst. And here, if you look at the numbers, so highest CTC went around 24 LPA, average went around 15.16 LPA, 15% of the batch was placed into the finance domain. Next, let us look into general management and HR. General management और HR में 27% ऑफर्स मिले थे बैच को. सो मार्केटिंग के बाद जो सबसे हाईएस्ट ऑफर्स हुए हैं वो हुए हैं जनरल मैनेजमेंट एंड एचआर में. So all the students who want to pursue a career into marketing and HR, then your short target has to be IIM Rohtak. Next, if we look at the prominent recruiters, then Airtel Payment Banks, Aditya Birla Capital hai, ICICI Bank hai, you have Lakme, you have Sony Pictures Network and Yes Bank. And if you look at the prominent roles, तो यहाँ पे brand specialist के roles है, customer relationship management, CRM roles हैं, then you have HR Analytics, HR COE, that is Center of Excellence. If you look at the placement highlight, highest CTC 21 LPA, average went around 16.17 LPA, and 27% of the batch was placed into the general management and HR domain. So if we briefly conclude about the function wise split, so सबसे पहले तो अगर marketing में सबसे ज़्यादा placement हुए हैं, then we have HR, then we had I think product management and the IT department that we discussed. 20% of the batch was placed over here, then finance, and then consulting. So I hope now you might have understood the parameters that you should be, why you should be considering IIM Rohtak. Marketing और HR जैसे placements के लिए it's phenomenal as we saw the figures. Now these are the prominent recruiters that the institute has. So ये prominent recruiters की पूरी list है. Amazon है जिसमें you have Bloomberg over here, Capgemini है यहाँ पे, EY है, and as we discussed function wise भी आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि marketing में कौन सी companies आती हैं, finance में कौन से domains आते हैं, consulting में कौन सी companies आती हैं. So all those areas we have discussed. Okay, so that was all from my side with regards to the placement report of IIM Rohtak for the batch 2022 to 2024. And you can follow us on Telegram for regular updates regarding B schools, for daily quizzes. And if you want to solve some interesting questions, puzzles regarding with regards to CAT, as CAT 2024 is approaching. So you can follow us on Telegram. The QR is given over here. You can scan this QR and follow us on Telegram. You can follow us on Instagram, and please subscribe to the channel if you do not want to miss out on any update that is coming ahead. A lot of form filling related to different exams, and now even B schools ka bhi form open hoga. So make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, and do let us know in the comments below if you have any doubts, any queries with regards to any B school, any particular exam, any particular college. Let us know in the comments below. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads.